In this video, you will see how to install the print material on the nozzle correctly in order for the filament to extrude properly. Check if the tip of the filament is bent. If so, cut it so that it will smoothly slide through the extruder. Then slowly pull down the filament to the hole and press the extruder hard enough to the nozzle mechanism until it touches the nozzle tip. After the filament has been inserted well, it is necessary to test whether the nozzle is extruding properly. To test it, open your 3D Creator software. Then connect the software by clicking the On Printer green button. Set the nozzle temperature to 175 degrees Celsius by typing it in the extruder temperature button and click the Set Temperature button. When the desired temperature is reached, click the Test Extruder button and wait for the nozzle to extrude. It is advisable to always clean the nozzle tip after extruding. By doing this, you can be assured that your print material is feeding and extruding properly. You can now move ahead to the print bed leveling tutorial video, where you will see how to level the print bed successfully.